everyone, this is Holly Knudson. I'm a holistic cancer coach and FDN from Utah, and today I want to talk about a natural supplement that can be used as an alternative therapy for cancer. Obesity is epidemic in today's society, and it's a major public health threat. You don't have to look far to see the effects of our high-sugar diets and sedentary lifestyles. Keeping blood sugar balanced is key to preventing metabolic syndrome, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Prevention is always the best course. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives to prescription medications that aren't associated with the negative side effects. Let's find out how the alkaloid berberine can be used as an alternative therapy for cancer. Berberine is a compound found in many plants, including barberry and Oregon grape. These are just a few herbs that contain this medicinal alkaloid. Berberine has long been heralded for its antimicrobial properties. Recent research is finding that this botanical extract has many other benefits beyond its ability to combat microbes. It is one of the main healing constituents of goldenseal, which you've likely heard of, which is a popular herbal antibiotic. Berberine has long been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine and has demonstrated time and again its safety and efficacy in treating many conditions. Of course, any medication or supplement does have the potential to cause side effects, and it's always up to the individual user to determine if it's safe for them personally and in what frequency and what dosages it should be used. Not only is berberine antibacterial, it is also a powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting agent. It's used to treat GI-related symptoms such as food poisoning, intestinal parasites, and traveler's diarrhea. It's an effective treatment as well for digestive disturbances, including upset stomach, GERD, constipation, SIBO, and leaky gut. Research is showing berberine's ability to reduce cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and protect the heart and mitral valves. Studies have also proven that berberine is a helpful treatment for dementia and memory loss due to its favorable impact on neuroplasticity. It's also been shown to alleviate depression and anxiety by modulating important neurotransmitters in the brain. And due to its antioxidant properties, berberine decreases oxidative stress and inflammation that is associated with diabetes. One of its many effects on metabolism is its ability to reduce blood sugar levels and improve glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, thereby preventing diabetes and obesity. Imbalances in blood sugar and insulin are precursors to many chronic health conditions. Fortunately, these conditions can be prevented by engaging in healthy lifestyle strategies, including targeted supplementation. Berberine is an AMPK booster. You can see why adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase is known by its acronym AMPK, because it's just so hard to say. AMPK is an enzyme that is often referred to as a metabolic master switch because of its importance in regulating metabolism. It is also involved in maintaining energy homeostasis and normalizing energy imbalances. AMPK regulated pathways are turned off in metabolic syndrome. And metabolic syndrome is referred to as a syndrome because it comprises a variety of conditions, including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, insulin resistance, an unhealthy lipid profile, and central obesity, meaning fat gain in the abdominal area. Each of these risk factors on its own is detrimental to health, but in combination can lead to this common but serious condition called metabolic syndrome. In fact, this syndrome can be deadly because it leads to heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. If you have any of the risk factors that are associated with metabolic syndrome, please start addressing these conditions now. A great place to begin is getting familiar with your blood sugar levels, which you can test at home. Berberine's effectiveness in regulating blood sugar is due to its activation of AMPK. Activation of this enzyme mimics results similar to those achieved through consistent exercise and caloric restriction. Only one other compound is known to activate AMPK, and that is resveratrol. Is berberine the new metformin? Studies that have compared berberine to metformin clearly demonstrate that berberine controls blood sugar levels as effectively as the common diabetes drug metformin, but without the side effects. It does this through its effects on glucose metabolism. Berberine improves insulin resistance while promoting healthy insulin secretion. It inhibits gluconeogenesis in the liver, which is a process whereby the body creates sugar from sources other than carbohydrate or glycogen. Protein, for instance, can be converted into glucose via gluconeogenesis. Berberine improves insulin resistance while promoting healthy insulin secretion. It inhibits gluconeogenesis in the liver, a process in which the body creates sugar from sources other than carbohydrate or glycogen. And glycogen is a form of sugar that we store in our liver and muscles. Evidence is now emerging about berberine's effect on the gut microbiota, which is a mediating factor in obesity and type 2 diabetes. Both metformin and berberine exert their effects by modulating the gut microbiota and increasing small-chain fatty acid producing bacteria in the intestines. These small-chain fatty acids are beneficial to health in many ways. Regarding diabetes, animal studies have shown that these small-chain fatty acids improve enzymatic activity in the liver and muscles, normalizing blood sugar. Berberine balances the microbiome by attacking the harmful bacteria, yet leaving the beneficial bacteria untouched. This makes berberine a useful therapy in the treatment of bacterial dysbiosis, SIBO, parasites, and candida. And due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, berberine is also beneficial for many other inflammatory conditions. Berberine is showing promise in the cancer arena as it may suppress tumor growth and inhibit metastases and angiogenesis, two deadly processes that allow cancer to spread. It's also been shown to induce apoptosis, a self-protective mechanism that prevents cancer by destroying tumor cells before they become malignant. Studies on colon cancer cells have demonstrated that the anti-tumor effect of berberine may be due to its ability to inhibit the COX-2 enzyme, which is known to prevent tumor formation. In regard to breast cancer, berberine is showing promise in retarding new cancer growth via its impact on MCF7 cells, which are the most widely studied breast cancer cells. It also inhibits SP cells, which are a type of highly proliferative stem cells that are associated with metastases. Berberine's anti-cancer properties may be due to its ability to change cancer tumor cells metabolically by altering the way they metabolize fuel. Additionally, it stabilizes energy homeostasis by activating AMPK. Interestingly, cancer malignancy has been directly linked to loss of AMPK. Berberine is also being studied for its effect on brain cancer. It's advised to always use caution when taking high doses of berberine all at one time, as it does have the potential to cause stomach upset and potentially diarrhea. Taking it 3 or 4 times throughout the day will prevent side effects while boosting its effectiveness. The standard dosage of berberine ranges anywhere from 500 to 2,000 milligrams a day, taken between meals, and it can be taken in capsule form or as a tincture. For microbial use, supplementation should continue for a minimum of 60 days. If using berberine for diabetes, take the supplement for 6 months before assessing blood work. Fasting insulin and hemoglobin A1C should be evaluated to determine how long supplementation should continue. And I'll put a link to one of my favorite online labs that you can get your fasting insulin and hemoglobin A1C tested. In summary, the fact that a natural compound is rivaling prescription drugs such as statins, blood pressure medications, and metformin is nothing short of astounding. The healing properties inherent in the plant kingdom are truly amazing. There is no doubt that this superstar supplement called berberine should be considered as part of any natural health protocol, including as an alternative therapy for cancer. Have you used berberine? How did it work for you if you have used it? Please share your experiences in the comments below this video. Thanks so much for watching.